Heyo friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have the Boxycharm box. This is the premium box for the month of February. So together we will dive in and see what's in store. If you are excited, well then friendos, hit subscribe, give me a like, and just stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. If you take heart medication, then I suggest you take it right now. I just received word. Epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you about it. Follow us on, have you heard of Instagram? I feel like this is a secret message. Follow us on Instagram at Boxycharm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. I mean, we gotta know, what is this big news? Okay, so my sister just told me that there's a secret site and it's called Instagram, and we're gonna follow Boxycharm on there. I'm in. I don't see any news on here. What is this news?
It says epic news is coming.
I'm done with this. Okay. Well, friendos, today we learned nothing. Let's see what's inside. All right, so first we have from Ace Beauté, the Pout Perfect liquid lipstick. Can I just say, I love this packaging. I have always been a fan of Art Deco and that sort of style. Like, I'm not joking, you guys. If I had my own, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm gonna jinx myself. Just know I really like that style. Sadly for me, this is made in China. I don't really like for my products to be made in China, but I still think it looks fantastic. Okay, sliding it back into its wrapper. I actually don't think that we got, yeah, I didn't get a list this time, so I don't know what we're getting, what the values are. I just know that I paid $45 for this box. All right, then we have from Beauty Bakery, the Butter Hydra Silk Primer. My sister really wants me to put this on right now, so.
That looks like Jeffree Star.
Smooth. Okay, very nice, very nice. Looks kind of like, she says Jeffree Star. I say it kind of looks like makeup by Mario, dare I say.
I was like, I was thought she got wheels.
It also kind of looks like your mom. While my sister's taking her sweet time, we got the Velvety Body Cream from Refreshments. Now, I think this is something that Boxy has started doing. Like, this is their brand, their sister brand or whatever. But you can sign up for monthly refreshments. So, does this smell good? The design is very eclectic. It's made in, no, it's not made in China. It's made in, Canada. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh yeah, because it says on here unscented. Can't flip and read, apparently. All right, so from Beauty Bakery, that's the Hydra Silk Primer. Oh yeah, the packaging is it. Oh, so it's like a tube lipstick. I mean, it feels fine. We'll see if it patches these potholes though. And it's made in Taiwan, which is not owned by China. Oh, this is cute. I didn't see this.
That's what I was showing off before you smashed it.
This looks pretty. Friendos, we got ourselves a palette. This one's from Eloise. You know where it's made. Friendos, don't be fooled. If it says PRC, that is People's Republic of China, also known as CCP around here, which is the Chinese Communist Party. Oh, it's a blush palette. Really nice little embossed roses and flowers, it seems. Perfect for Valentine's Day. But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put this in a giveaway because I'm swimming in blushes. I have a ton of giveaways scheduled. One should be announced very, very soon. It's either this video or the one after, a long form video. And I am collabing with someone else, so you guys stay tuned. This looks like a Natasha Denona palette. Ayana. I don't think I know which one this is. She got a little dusty on the way here. It's a neutral color story, but I'm not hating. I love Natasha Denona. Those used to be 40. I believe now they're like 44, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that palette right there probably just paid for my whole box. And I'll probably take it with me on vacation this weekend. Okay, next up, we have from Ciate London. This is my last item. This is the Royal Edition 24-piece eyeshadow palette. Haven't heard of this. It appears this is made in Ireland, and Natasha Denona, I believe, is normally made in Italy. Oh, I lied. It is made in China. Unfortunate. Okay, let's see. Do we think it's color? Do we think it's neutrals? Do we think it's nothing but pressed glitters? Behold! Okay, so we have a lot of colors in here. You know what this reminds me of?
The other one you got.
Which other one? Oh, the Iconic London. Okay, that's not where I was going with this. But the shades in here, they're kind of in between the Born to Run palette, yeah, and the Metropolis palette from Natasha Denona. That's what the color story reminds me of. Now, the packaging on this is kind of cheapy looking, but I'm not hating. I mean, I already got a good Natasha Denona palette in there, so is it the end of days? Yes. Just kidding. No, I'd be willing to try this out on my channel. Let me know if there's any shades in here that really stand out to you that you want to see me do a look with. My sister does not approve. And now, sadly, my friendos, we've reached the end of this video. Let me know what was your favorite item that you saw today. Were there any items that you would not be happy to get in your box? Let me know if you get the deluxe or even if you get the regular one, what you got in your box this month. Also, if you did enjoy this unboxing video, well, I have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day mystery box unboxing for you guys to go view right after this one. It should already be up and ready to watch. Okay, friendos, have a phenomenal rest of your day. Don't hesitate to give this video a like if you had fun. I can't wait to see you all in the next one, so make sure that you're subscribed, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.